Hi guys, I'm back. It looks like I'm wearing no clothes. I've got this. I'm wearing clothes. I did say that I wasn't going to be doing like any videos for like maybe 2 months because of exams, but I've been revising all day and I'm just so bored of it, and no, I decided to film a little video instead because why not? So I've done all my face makeup and my brows and everything like that, and today I'm going to do a little smoky eye plus nude lip tutorial because I've really been liking that look like recently. I've like seen it on like a few people on like Instagram and stuff, and I was like, wow, like that's really nice, I really want to try it. So I did it yesterday for a shoot with my friend. It didn't turn out as what I actually wanted it to be. It looked a bit cool toned than warm toned, and I always like warm toned eye looks and makeup like that. So I'm gonna try again today and it's going to turn out how I want it to turn out. I'm gonna start off with my Stay Don't Stray eye primer as always. And again, as always, I'm going to set all over the lid with a nude eyeshadow powder. To start off with, I'm actually going to curl my lashes because I don't like to curl my lashes when I've got eyeshadow on. I just feel like it messes everything up. So I'm going to do it now. I always use my Topshop bronzer in Salute to start off as a transition colour in my crease. Let me zoom you in. So I'm just going to take my bronzer on a fluffy brush and just use it right in the crease. I'm going to focus it on the outer corner and just bring it out quite far to like the edge of your head. Or your eyebrow, the end of your eyebrow, the edge of your head. I'm gonna also bring it underneath the eye while I've got this fluffy brush and the bronzer on it. Basically just like making a template for where the rest of the eyeshadow is gonna go. I'm gonna bring it quite in like far to the sort of centre of my face as well as the outside because I just like that look. So now I'm going to use my Flawless 2 palette and take this colour here on the same brush and basically just go over where we put the bronzer because I want it really, really warm. Smaller fluffy brush. This has actually got black on it from yesterday. Whoop-de-doo. Let's take that off. Is it black or purple? Because it looks like purple. When did I last use purple? Back into the Flawless 2, I'm going to take this colour. Basically just darken up the crease before we use the black in it. So I'm going to take a smaller fluffy brush and focus it right in the crease. To just darken it up and build up the dark colour before we go in with the actual black. When doing like a smoky eye, you always want to build up the colour rather than just going straight with the black or whatever colour you're using. So now it's time for the black. So I'm going to take a skinny fluffy brush with the black on it. Oh, that looks so weird. Put it like where we put that previous dark brown colour. There's so many flies in my room right now. because it's really, really hot today. All the windows are open. I'm going to take the black beneath the eye as well. Basically, like, just every colour that we've used in the crease and on the lid, I'm taking below the eye as well. I'm also going to use some of the black colour right in the outer corner rather than just the crease. Smokey. When doing a smoky eye, you want to make sure that you're blending it for the gods. Taking my big fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend it all out nicely. Other eye. I'm just swapping over brushes as well whenever I need to make sure that the blend really is a blend. Okay, so now it's time for the lid colour. I'm going to take my tiny little... can you see how much I have left? That's abysmal. I'm going to take my Prep and Prime and a shader brush, spray it. Oh my god, nothing's even coming out. I'm taking this colour, placing it on this little area here where there's no colour. And after that, I'm going to take my smaller blending brush and mix the dark brown and the sort of orangey colour that we used at the beginning and just place it right in the middle just to blend the gold and the black together. Same as what we did on this eye. I'm going to take the brush with the brown and the orange and blend the gold. Are you serious? Wait, are they actually serious? I closed the windows. I hope you can't hear my next door neighbour trimming his bush. To make the gold stand out a little bit more, I'm going to use my Collection Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner in Funk and just sort of go on top, right, watch me do it, sort of there. Just to really make it a bit more glittery. Yay! Zoom you out. To highlight the inner corner, I'm going to spray more Prep and Prime if I can. Useless. This one here. I'm loving this. I'm loving it. To really darken it up, I'm going to use some liner. This is just incredibly old. It's just a black pencil liner in my waterline. So for lashes, as always, because I'm a broke bitch, I can't buy new lashes. I'm still using my So Sue lashes in London. Duo. So while I'm waiting for the lashes to dry, one of my favourite mascaras, my Volume Million lashes from L'Oreal. So now I'm just going to apply my lashes. That was mega quick. Well done, Ella. To make sure that they're as close to the lash line as possible, I'm going to take my lash applicator from Eyelaw and just like squeeze my natural lashes and the fake lashes together. Now it's time for lips. Dark eye plus nude lip, so let's line. I'm gonna use my, oh my god, this is fucked up, look how dirty that is, that's actually disgusting. I don't even know what it is, it's probably chocolate, but ew. Rimmel London lipstick in Boho Nude. And over that I'm going to use one of my favourite lip glosses from Sleek in Angel Falls. Yay! Oh my god, well done Ella, she finished a makeup video, yay! So this is the end look. I'm really happy with it. These are the eyes. Please don't clock me if like my lashes are coming away or something like that. I really like it. It turned out, I think, really nice. Definitely exactly how I wanted it. And this lip colour is perfect as well. So I'm a very happy girl right now, actually, yay. So that's the end look, guys. I really hope you like it because I'm obsessed. Like, comment and subscribe if you liked this video and this look. And thank you so much for watching. This is so much fun to film. I love this look, as I've been saying. But thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!